for this, we'll have to go to our messages and see if the themes are enabled or not. Are they working or not? For this, go to your messages and click on view profile for any of your friends, and we can see here we can't add any theme to our messages. So we'll have to go to Instagram from our apps and click on app info by holding Instagram for longer time. And then we'll have to go scroll down and select for storage usage and click on clear cache, and that will clear the cache for Instagram. And then click on app permissions and one by one allow all the permissions for Instagram. The calendar, click on allow, select locations, camera, then microphone, contacts, phone, storage and everything. And after doing all this, enabling all the permissions on your Instagram by going into the apps, then click on storage, click on allow access to media only, go back by clicking the middle button, and then open your Instagram again, close it and click on close all and clear the cache for your mobile phone, and then open your Instagram again, and the problem would already have been solved by now. So that's how we can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.